Welcome to Art Tutorials, your one-stop shop for everyday tech hacks. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest tech tutorials directly to you. Please do subscribe and support me in making a lot of beautiful, nice, quick, easy tech tutorials for you all. To get started today's tutorial, as you saw the title, it is about how to delete your Google Plus profile, but it should not affect your YouTube profile. So we will learn how to delete the Google Plus account, but don't worry, it will not delete your YouTube account. So let's learn how to delete your Google Plus account. For that, open a tab and just go to plus.google.com. This is the official page of your official page of the Google Plus based on your likes and dislikes. This is my account, Art Tutorials. So this is because since I'm logged in already into Google, so it's showing me. If you're not, it will ask you to log in into the Google Plus account. So once you log in, now we'll see how to delete the profile. So you would see settings. So click on the settings and you will see a lot of options. Scroll down till the last, till the end, and you will see something called delete your Google Plus account. So be sure that first thing is you have to make sure that you're really sure that you want to delete your Google Plus profile. So deleting this would delete your Google Plus profile. So once you see this and you're sure that you want to delete, go ahead and delete your Google Plus. Click on that link. It would ask you to confirm. So once you do that, it will then give you an option. So what all you want to delete, whether you want to delete your Google Plus, you want to delete YouTube, you want to delete Google Plus. So this is very crucial and tricky, I would say, because you have to be very sure what you are deleting. So this will, what all it will be deleted, it will make sure that it will tell you what all it's going to delete. So if you see here, for content created after November 2015, the content created on YouTube will be kept, which means the content will be still be there, but your all your comments, everything will be deleted. Your posts, your likes, dislikes, all your data will be deleted, but your videos will not be, because that's what the message says. For content created after November 2015. So if you have created any content before November 2015 and you try to delete your Google Plus profile, it all will be deleted. So be very sure, friends. We don't want to lose any of your data. So once you are sure about this, you can tick mark on these and then click on delete to confirm that you are deleting your Google Plus profile account. A lot of friends of mine have asked how do we delete, but we don't want to delete the YouTube uh, videos that we created. So this way all your comments, likes and dislikes will be deleted. You can read it here clearly. It says all the comments, while content created on Google Plus will be deleted, all your comments, likes, dislikes you created on YouTube will be kept, which means all your videos, all your comments, all your comment, like, share, dislikes, everything will be safe. It will not be deleted. But please mind, your all your Google Plus related YouTube videos or any posts that you have made on your Google Plus public profile or private will be deleted. So be sure when you're doing this step, friends. My request to you again is, if you're really sure, then only go ahead and do this. Hope you find this tutorial useful and if you do, please like, share and comment to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the only way you can support me and show your love. If you need any particular technical help or any hack that you want me to cover, please drop that out in a comment and I will be happy to address that. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more.